when you sit there. You don't want to ride in a boat, Juliana? No. Go ride in the boat. Juliana, go ride in the boat. Are you done then? Yeah. Oh, it's cold. Just- oh. Just go now. I thought you were gonna go now. Are you still thinking of going? Are you done? You got a new sleeper, huh? No, it's already in the Filipino bag, so that's fine. If you want to use it, that's okay. Jade, stop. No, you go now. No, she can go now. No, she had to go back now. Jade, stay here. Jade. Is it really hot? Jolene, why don't you guys come now? No, not the shoes there. No, not the shoes there. You go wash it in the kitchen. It's hot there. No, not that one. No, not there. Not in the. No, Julene goes drink in that water. Don't wash that water, Jelana. Jelana, don't do that, Jade. Ang kulit, no? Jade! Oh, see. Hi, kulit, guys. Just stay here for baby, please. you're getting, you're getting braver. Again. Oh, there's grandma and Ate Dog. Jade, you come back here. Your sister is gonna need. Jade, don't do that. Wow. Their shoes in the swimming pool, and I said, tell baby, can you tell baby? Yeah, you can. Baby, don't wash. Go wash in that water. Put your slipper on those water. See, that's where you wash. Okay, then yeah.